Today, I will show you how to set up and send data on Zapier Webhooks. First, log into your Zapier account, then click on the Create button and choose on Zaps. Once in for the first trigger, go ahead and search for Webhooks and click on it. Now for the trigger event, select Catch Hook and then Continue. Now you can pick off a child key or not and then Continue. Then just go ahead and copy this webhook URL. Then go to another window and paste it. After that, just check this checkbox. Go to Zapier and test your trigger. Now select this record and continue with it. Now for the second trigger, choose on Google Sheets. For the action event, search for updated spreadsheet rows and select it. Now just go ahead and sign into your spreadsheet account, select all access, and then continue. Once done, continue again. Now just select your spreadsheet and worksheet. Here just enter the corresponding information for the field. I'm just gonna enter some random numbers just to show you. Then continue. After that, just go ahead and test your step. Once done, just go ahead and publish it. For here, you need to upgrade to a pro plan to publish, but when you have a upgraded plan, it is easy to publish and connect it. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.